Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, bringing you today's Tesla Semi Factory construction update. This video was filmed 9/26/2024 in the afternoon. I wasn't able to post it immediately because I was traveling all day yesterday. It's an amazing video to me. The focus is on the panel table, the BZI process for building roof panels, and how unbelievably quick, in my estimation, this process works. This is the panel table, and we're going to get an amazing close-up and detailed view into the entire process. And you'll see that the Mezzmaster is able to install two panel tables or roof panels in the course of this video. Unbelievable how quick they are. They seem to be like racing at this point. I think they've got this process down, and it is just a symphony of construction. How all the different workers are synchronized and working together. Here is the panel table from BZI. You'll notice on the right side, they've completed a complete roof panel section, and all they do to build a tab is to add in two additional corrugated metal panels and offset them. So it's not a special part, it's just an additional piece that they add on top of the full roof panel. And they have this jig, and this device here has an arm that carries each individual corrugated piece. One operator slides it over as needed, and two guys are working on pulling those individual corrugated panels into position. And you'll notice there's a fourth worker, could be male or female, down below welding the trusses. This is our first really good look at how these trusses fit into slots. And you'll see that immediately upon the Mezzmaster coming in and taking one of these roof completed sections away, another telehandler comes in and starts laying in the new trusses. It is truly a organized symphony of construction. I don't know. I'm a little bit, maybe I'm being a little hyperbolic, but to me, this video is an amazing collection of the overview of the process, detailed overview of the process. As these workers are working on the left wing of the panel table, you can see there's a completed roof section on the right, and in a moment, the Mezzmaster comes in and picks it up, and we're going to watch it go over and place this completed roof panel in its location, in the next location on the factory building. And they're getting they're working their way and approaching the southern end of the perimeter, as you can see when we get a little higher angle view of the entire building. Let's just enjoy the Mezzmaster for now. This is the segment I was mentioning earlier where the telehandler is coming in ready with new trusses as the Mezzmaster pulls out. I mean, there's no wasted motion here. Almost like they're in a contest, the way that they're working. The Mezzmaster matriculates its way over to the next location where this roof section is going to go. And we'll just enjoy watching it, and I'll comment as as I deem appropriate. So coming up here is a interesting, fun piece where I thought he was going to run into the trusses, but he's actually running into the shadow of the trusses. Again, on the drone, it's such a small viewing window, you don't see all the detail, but here he magically drives right through a truss, but it's actually the shadow. And the way he articulates this roof panel, this is a highly experienced operator. I will say that I had mentioned on my last video that I thought they were using suctions, and clearly they are clamping onto the trusses, which gives them an extremely good grip, and they're able to work at least in 25-mile-an-hour gusts, as seen in 2 or 3 videos ago, and you might want to go back and watch that video. There's so much to glean from the different sizes of the columns and the beams. You see that section where they're extremely large columns and beams, and then in other sections there are smaller columns and trusses connecting them. All of that tells a story that will only unfold as we watch this continue, as we watch this construction progress, and eventually see how they build out the semi-production line. All of this informs us, but it's just hard to know for sure what it means. But certainly if you have some, I've really enjoyed the comments from the viewers who have much more experience and maybe add a little color to the process. You'll notice that as soon as the worker completes the attaching this panel section, the Mezzmaster has already left, going back to pick up the next panel which has been completed. Well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll leave you at the end with the rendering of the completed factory. Hope to see you soon.